Cooking bacon in the oven on parchment paper is the cleanest and most efficient method for achieving perfectly crisp results every single time. This technique eliminates stovetop grease splatters and allows you to cook a large batch at once with minimal effort. First, you must prepare your oven and your baking sheet. Adjust your oven rack to the middle position. Then, preheat your oven to a consistent 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. This temperature is the sweet spot for rendering the fat slowly while crisping the meat without burning it. While the oven heats, take out a large, rimmed baking sheet. The rim is absolutely essential to contain the hot bacon grease and prevent dangerous spills in your oven. You will then line this baking sheet completely with a single sheet of parchment paper. Make sure the parchment paper goes up the sides of the pan slightly, creating a barrier that will make cleanup unbelievably easy later on. Now, you can arrange your bacon. Take your bacon strips directly from the package and lay them out in a single layer on top of the parchment paper. It is very important that the bacon strips do not overlap. If they overlap, they will not cook evenly and will stick together, steaming instead of crisping. Leave a little space between each strip to allow the hot air to circulate freely around each piece, which is the key to uniform cooking. You do not need a wire rack. Cooking directly on the parchment is simpler and yields fantastic results. Once your oven is preheated, carefully place the baking sheet on the middle rack. The cooking time will vary depending on the thickness of your bacon. For standard cut bacon, plan on baking for about 15 to 20 minutes. For thicker cut varieties, you may need closer to 20 or even 25 minutes. The crucial step is to start checking for doneness after about 12 minutes. Ovens can have hot spots, and bacon can go from perfectly crisp to burnt very quickly. You are looking for golden brown color and your desired level of crispness. Once the bacon looks perfect to you, carefully remove the hot baking sheet from the oven using oven mitts. The pan and the rendered grease will be extremely hot. Using a pair of tongs, immediately transfer the cooked bacon strips from the parchment paper to a plate lined with paper towels. This will help absorb any excess grease, leaving you with perfectly crisp bacon. The final step is the best part, the cleanup. Let the baking sheet sit and allow the grease on the parchment paper to cool and solidify. Once it's cool and no longer a liquid, you can simply lift the entire sheet of parchment paper, fold it up, and throw it away. Your baking sheet will be almost perfectly clean underneath, requiring just a quick wipe or rinse. This oven method is truly a game changer for anyone who loves bacon but hates the mess. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more simple cooking tips.